Well, thanks to no gravity in space, my spine stretched, and I am now a confident 6'3". So, Lois, I will be leaving you for a hotter woman. Never mind, Lois. I love you so much.
Peter, I don't think this is the right horse.
I am 100% positive this is the right horse.
And here's baby boy number 1. I understand you've decided to name him Stewie. One more to go, and here he... Oh, dear.
Oh no, did Dave not make it?
She wore a mask. Don't you get it? If we wear our masks and we don't take them off for the whole party, the boys won't know who we are, and we'll have a better chance of hooking up.
Good idea!
We are so gonna hook up!
I think we look hot.
Totally hot!
Ugly bitches!
The real reason I ran over here is because I wanted to do this.
There's my little Lois.
What? Lois?